Hi children, welcome to grade 5 science. So what are we discussing about? We are discussing about machines, simple and compound machines, right? So what is a machine? It makes our work easier and works efficient. The work will be more efficient and it saves our time. For these purpose only we are using the machines, right? So what are the types of machines available? Yes, there are two types of machines. They are simple and compound machines. Simple machines are very easy to use and easy to handle. They are made up of single part only, right? So example for those machine is ice tongs, tweezers, etc. And the compound machine, these are such machines which are made up of one or more simple machines, right? More than one simple machines. So compound machines are made up of more than one simple machines. So the example for compound machine might be wheelbarrow, bicycle, etc. And some simple machines are inclined plane, lever, wedge, screw, pulley, wheel and axle. So lever, it is a rod over which is balanced over a pointed edge. Okay, this rod is used to load lift a heavy load, right? So the pointed edges tends to be fulcrum F, and the force applied on the rod is said to be effort E, and the load, that is heavy load that is lifted, is said to be L. Okay, based on this, the lever has been classified as three types: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. In first class lever, the fulcrum is present in between the load and effort, and the second class lever, the load will present between the effort and fulcrum, and in third class lever, effort is present in between the load and fulcrum. Okay, then we saw about inclined plane. Inclined plane is a plane surface, that is slanting surface, which is used to roll up the loads in order to load or load or unload the truck or lorries, and it is also used in hospitals to ride a wheelchair. And wedge, it is a combination of two inclined planes. So wedge is a combination of two inclined planes. These two inclined planes meet at a sharp edge, and this forms the axe. So the example for wedge might be axe, knives, plough, etc. And we discussed about screw. A nail which had a winding surface over it is said to be a screw, right? It is also an inclined plane. Okay, the winding edge is said to be thread. Okay, so the example for screw is screw jack and screw staircase and pulley. With the help of pulley, we can able to lift heavy loads, and also we can draw the water from the well with the help of the pulley. So the pulley along with the rope can able to lift the heavy load or draw the water from the well. So the example for this pulley might be crane using the pulley to lift heavy loads. Then wheel and axle. Here two parts will be present, that is wheel along with the rod. The rod is said to be axle. Okay, so with the help of this wheel and axle we can able to lift a heavy load. Okay, so the examples might be bicycle. The wheel of the bicycle is a wheel and axle machine, and wheel of this giant wheel is a wheel and axle machine, simple machine. And lock, that had a rounded lock of a door, that also an example for this wheel and axle, right? So today we are going to discuss about the next type of machine, that is the compound machine. So what may be the example for compound machine, children? Yes, wheelbarrow and bicycle. So how it is made up of? What is compound machine? Yes, if a machine is made up of more than one simple machine, then it is said to be compound machine. So how you can say that bicycle and wheelbarrow or a compound machine? Come, let's see. Here, bicycle is made up of more than one simple machines. So what are the simple machines involved in this bicycle? Let's see. Look at this picture, children. Those simple machines made the simple machines that are present in the bicycle are wheel and axle, lever, pulley, and screw. So these simple machines together to form a bicycle, and this makes the compound machine. Similarly, for wheelbarrow, the simple machines are wheel and axle and lever. These simple machines together to form a wheelbarrow, which is used to carry a heavy load, right? So altogether we conclude that simple machines together to form a compound machine. So here are some list of tools that can be carried out by different kinds of people, such as electrician, plumber, mason, traffic policeman, architect, carpenter, etc. Right? Here are some list of tools. Just go through it. Right? Okay, children. So this is about chapter 9, that is machines, simple and compound machines. So what is simple machine, what is compound machine, and what are the examples of simple and compound machines, right? And your homework is you have to complete the practice on 6 and 7 in your concept book, and the questions 5, 8, 10, 12, and MCQ in your workbook, right? So we can meet with still more interesting topic in next session. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.